Okay, the ceramic coating is finally on the car, protecting it. This is a 2018 Ford Escape. The car was never coated. It's been sitting outdoors, never garaged. The neighbor says he's going to garage it now. And the coating is starting to cure now. It takes about 12 hours. It's been on now for about 7 hours. A couple more hours it will be totally cured. We even coated the actual rims with the same product, Gtechniq Crystal Serum Light, and it turned out really good. And this paint's actually beautiful because it has little speckles inside, right? And the coating really brings that out. These are also coated. Right? Again, this vehicle was totally prepped for the coating, but it was not polished at all. And like I've said before, you don't need to polish a vehicle to put a ceramic coating on. All you need to do is make sure that the paint is fully prepped and there's nothing on there. In other words, any contaminants, whether road film, tar, and a whole bunch of stuff that gets in our vehicle, and iron deposits, which we did by doing a two-stage. One was a chemical decontamination, and the other one was a clay towel decontamination. And this turned out perfect. Again, the back wheels were also coated, just the face of the wheels, not the inner parts, because to do those, the inner parts, the barrel, you have to actually remove the wheel. And she looks beautiful. Right? Tomorrow, we're going to put on a topper on the coating. Now what this does, okay, it's this product right here. It goes with this coating. It's called, here we go, Gtechniq C2V3. And this goes on as a, how can I say it? It acts like it's a topper, protects the coating while the actual ceramic coating doesn't fully cure until 2 weeks. So when you put this on, it protects the coating itself, and it protects the coating from the customer, because a lot of customers, they want to, after a week or a couple of days, they want to clean the car, and they shouldn't. So you shouldn't clean a ceramic coated car for at least 2 weeks. The actual coating that we put on is this right here. Gtechniq Crystal Serum Light. Light, though, is not what it is. It's a 3 to 5 year coating. And it's been on my car right there now for 3 full years. And it's still going strong. And this job turned out really, really nice. Right? And like I said, it's not the pop that you want, it's the protection on the vehicle. Now what the coating does is it makes it a lot easier for you to clean the vehicle as well. And on those winter days when it gets a little bit warmer and the side of the vehicle is full of, like, it looks chalked, it will never look like that in a coated car, right? Even if it's 3, 4, 5 years on the road, right? Because these coatings are actually permanent coatings or semi-permanent coatings. As time goes on, they may lose some of their hydrophobics, but the coating itself is permanent. You can't remove it unless you actually do use a heavy compound, or on the higher level coatings, you have to actually wet sand them off. So because clear coats today are getting less and less, this is best to do when the car is brand new, right? And because I think the clear coats now are between 40 and 60 microns. And the problem is that the UV protection on modern cars today, the UV protection is in the top part of the clear. So this is why we have something called planned obsolescence. That's why after the 7-year mark, you start to lose that the 5-year mark, you start to lose that UV protection. Cars get planned obsolete, dull. So by putting the coating on, you rejuvenate and you protect that little UV protection. You actually add more to it. And this is why it's not good to compound the vehicle. You can polish a vehicle, right? Use a finishing polish, but it's highly recommended not to compound the vehicle, because, like I said, the clear coats are getting thinner and thinner, and they're more water-based and solvent-based like they were years ago. So again, planned obsolescence from the car manufacturers. Thank you very much. But at least we have products like this that, if you know, can make your car look nicer for a lot longer and protect the vehicle. Like I've said many other times before, vehicles today are very expensive. My vehicle 7 years ago was $27,800 before taxes. With taxes, it was around 32. That same vehicle was like 41,000 now, right? That's the base model. So, our wages haven't gone up, but it seems like the manufacturers keep on increasing the prices. So, okay, folks, that's it for this one. I'll be doing a friend's vehicle in a week or two, and that one may get polished with a finishing polish. And we'll leave it at that now. Thank you.